It's autumn time. That means it's soup time. I like to share an easy fall recipe with you. It uses ingredients you may already have in your pantry and fridge. First, take your family for a walk in the park to enjoy seeing the leaves on the trees turn to beautiful fall colors. Then come home and whip up this fast, easy, hearty, and healthy rotisserie chicken soup to warm your body and comfort your soul. Here is a short list of ingredients: rotisserie chicken, olive oil, butter, onion, garlic, celery, red bell pepper, orange bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, salt, and seasoning. Let's get cooking. I am using an 8-quart pan and I'm adding in about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And this is the brand that I'm using. I got this at Sam's Club Warehouse, but any kind of olive oil that you like, you can use. I am using the Kerrygold butter, and I have here half of the full stick. And I usually just buy this whenever Costco put it on sale. And I get the no salt added version. I really like it because it has more butter fat, so it's just a little richer. Alright, I'm dropping it in. Alright, I love that sizzling sound. That means good stuff's happening. Woo! When you are cooking, that's a happy sound. It takes me to my happy place. The butter has melted enough, so I will now add in the 1 cup of onions. I have a half cup measurement, so I will add in 1 cup. Ooh, that's a happy sound. Here's the second cup. Here's the second half cup. Once your onion is in, just stir it around and let it cook for a few minutes to release all that goodness. I have 4 cloves of garlic, which I will be adding as well. Saute your garlic around. Then I will add in 1 cup of celery. This is half a cup. Now I'm adding the other half cup. And then once you add it, just stir this around. The pan that I'm using is All Clad, so it can definitely take the heat. And once the celery is in, I'm adding half a cup of red bell peppers, orange bell peppers, and yellow bell peppers. Stir all of this around. Everything is looking good. I now have my 64 ounce of water, which is 8 cups. I'm going to pour that into the soup pot. I wish you guys can smell this. It smells really good. Alright, I'm pouring in 8 glasses of water. Now that the water has been added, I am going to add in the seasoning. I will add 1 tablespoon of the garlic salt, 1 tablespoon of the tagine, and 1 tablespoon of the rosemary garlic tones. Here's 1 tablespoon of the toned rosemary garlic. I love it because it smells really good. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of the tagine, 1 tablespoon of the garlic salt. And what I love about this soup is the golden color, and that's due to that delicious Kerrygold butter. Now that all the seasonings are in, I'm going to give this a stir. And I'm digging down, make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom. And one of the things I love about the All Clad is that I don't have to worry about stuff sticking because it has a very thick bottom. And I love that the stainless steel stay beautiful. I've had this pan since 2015 and today is 2021, 6 years later. And I use this is my main pan that I use for cooking all kinds of deliciousness. And it's still as beautiful as the day that I bought it. So I really love it. And for our anniversary, Eric bought me a second one. Ooh, now I have a pair of them. The 8-quart is just the perfect size for all the cooking needs in the kitchen. All right, while I'm waiting for that to come to a boil, I am going over to tear up the rotisserie chicken. I have to go into the soup. I had torn off 2 thighs and legs, so I will now add them to the soup. These are the rotisserie chicken that I got at Costco, so they're perfect for this soup. I like to leave them in chunks because the thighs and legs are softer, and once you cook them in the soup they kind of disintegrate, so I don't like to cut them into too small of a piece because then you won't even find the chicken at all. And if Eric cannot find the chicken, he thinks there's no meat on the inside of the soup, so I kind of like to leave it kind of a little bit bigger pieces so he can find the meat. Now I just have to wait for it to come to a rapid boil, and then the soup is ready. When the soup comes to a rapid boil like this, it is ready to serve. Look at how gorgeous that is. So hearty and delicious. Wowzer. And all the seasoning is just right. I'm serving this up 1 cup at a time. Delicious. Delicious.